Hey, it's Robert here from empoweredlife.tv. I hope you're having a spectacular day wherever you are in the world today. And in today's video, we're asking the question, how do you make decisions? So many people approach me all the time and say one of the biggest things they have to deal with is overcoming this inability to make decisions. Now, there are many reasons why people can't make decisions. Some of it is overwhelmed. Some of it is because they're gripped with fear of what might happen if they get the decision wrong. But you know what? It's very, very difficult to actually figure out which is the correct decision from where you are right now. Sometimes the only thing that you can possibly do is take action. Experience will show up the answers. It's okay if you've developed yourself spiritually enough so that you can connect with your source. You can go within into the silence and you trust your gut instinct, because that will show you the right way. That will give you the inspirational nudge when you need it. But if you've not yet come to a place where you totally trust your gut instinct, then you're going to need some more practical ways to come up with the right decision. And I'm going to share a couple of ways of doing that today. Now, here's the thing. If right now you're sat there with 3, 4, 5, God knows how many different routes you can take in your life or your business, and each one of those represents a decision for you, okay? Which one is the one I should choose? Then just choose one. Just choose one. Don't beat yourself up about getting it right at first, okay? Because by taking action, you will either find out very quickly through your experience of taking action whether you have chosen the right direction or not. If you have, then yay, great. Give it your heart and soul, pour everything into it and go for it with commitment and passion. If you haven't, then drop it and choose one of the others that you didn't choose last time and try that. Take action. Go down that road. And very quickly you'll figure out from experience whether you've picked the right one or the wrong one. And by a process of elimination, you will eventually choose the one that is the route you should take. You will make, in other words, the right decision by process of elimination. But if you're just going to sit there and try and figure it all out from your conscious level of thinking, it's going to be a long time coming. And then you may well get it wrong. Now, you might say to me, hey, but the thing is, Robert, I'm wasting so much time trying things out, dropping and move on to another one, try it out. You will waste more time if you think you know the answer, but you're not sure, and you go down that route and disregard everything else. If you make the wrong decision, it can cost you more than time. It can cost you money. It can cost you lifestyle. So taking a few extra steps in the beginning to make sure that you're actually following the right course of action is surely worth it. Now, strategy number 2 or tip number 2, whichever way you want to put it. If you've just got a couple of things you're mulling over and you don't really know which one to choose, take a coin, heads and tails. Heads, let's say heads represents option 1 and tails represents option 2. You need to have an agreement with yourself that you will flip the coin and whichever way it shows up, you will go down that route and you will commit to that choice 100%. Now, I want you to imagine yourself flipping that coin. You flip the coin and it comes down and it hits heads. Heads is option 1. Imagine how you felt when that came up. Did you feel disappointed? Were you elated? Were you relieved? What were the feelings? Because they're a huge indicator to how you really feel and the choice that you really should make for yourself. Why? Because just for a fraction of a second, you remove all of those mental limitations, all of those fear-based limitations, and your gut instinct kicks in. Your connection with the universal kicks in, and you get an inspirational nudge from within. Now, if you're elated, then you made the right choice. If you're disappointed, you know you've got to make the other choice. So I encourage you now, if you've got a couple of things you're juggling over and mulling over and you can't come to a decision, get yourself a coin. Try that out. Get somebody else to do it with you. It's a lot of fun. See what you come up with. I promise you, you won't procrastinate any further. You will make decisions quicker, more effectively, more powerfully, and they will change your life and your business for the better. Incidentally, I talked about connecting with yourself inside the universal and reconnecting with source, going within into the silence, all of that stuff. Now, one of the key factors to be able to do that is meditation. And I know that a lot of people struggle with meditation or would like to be able to do it better, deeper, and get results faster. So somewhere below this video, I've left a link to my hypnosis audio meditation. Please download that. Put it to work. It will help you. If you can't meditate, it will help you get past that. If you can meditate, but you want to put the foot down and acceleration on this and get things to happen a little bit quicker for you, it's going to help you do that too. It's yours. It's free. Put it to use. Listen, I'd love your comments. I like to read them. I like to respond to them. What do you think of this video? What does it mean to you? Are you going to take action on it? Let me know if you do what your results are, because I love to know that this stuff is making a difference in people's lives. If you've enjoyed the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon as well while you're here so you get notified each time I do one of these. And also, one last thing. Why not get across to empoweredlife.tv, empoweredlife.tv. Join the family over there too, and let's get to know each other better. It's going to be a lot of fun. Long journey, but let's make it fun. So until next time, namaste.